Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying?
Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to make plantain mosa. Yes, plantain mosa that went to Harvard. With just few ingredients and the mosa is done. Very simple recipe and so delicious. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So I have the overripe plantain already sliced into smaller pieces. I'll be transferring it into the blender, add little water to it, and blend it until a fine and smooth paste is formed. After blending, transfer the paste into a clean bowl. Add a cup of flour to it. Mind you, the flour has already been sifted. Stir it together and add yeast, salt, cinnamon, milk flavor, sugar, dry pepper, and mix everything together. Then you add the last 1 cup of flour. And mix everything together as well. Cover it for some minutes and allow it to rise before frying in deep oil. Fry on medium heat until it is golden brown. Then it is ready to be served. The measurements used in this recipe will be available in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you, and see you again in my next video.